Congratulations on choosing to purchase the ClassyCap's Kingsbridge dual lighting solar post cap. As you'll see, it's a breeze to install. The patented Kingsbridge is a one-size-fits-all design that includes 4 base adapters to fit over a 4x4 nominal, actual 4x4, actual 5x5, and 6x6 nominal post. Before replacing the base for the one that fits your size of post, please take note of how the LEDs and wiring harness are already assembled for you with the 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch base. Start by turning the Kingsbridge solar post cap upside down. Starting with the last LED in the wiring harness, using a small flathead screwdriver, gently pry the LED light out of its receptacle using the tabs, being mindful that you do not damage the wires. Pull the wire harness out of the track and repeat these steps for the remaining 3 LEDs. Once the LEDs have been removed from their receptacles, rotate the attached base counterclockwise until it's free from the light fixture. Feed the wiring harness and LEDs through the opening and remove the base that will not be used and place it aside. Use the base that fits your post size and feed the wiring harness and LEDs through the hole. Turn the base clockwise while firmly pressing down. When you hear a click, the base is locked into place. Begin by snapping the LEDs back into the 4 receptacles. Carefully feed the wiring harness back into the provided tracks in a clockwise direction. Please note the LEDs must be placed back into the receptacles in the same direction as they were removed. Push the excess wire into the spaces between the wire tracks. Make sure the wire harness will not be pinched by your post. Repeat these steps with all 4 LED lights. Now that the lights are installed with the correct size base, make sure to insert the rechargeable battery into the battery compartment. Turn the switch to auto and you're ready to secure the Kingsbridge onto your post, using the 2 mounting screws provided. Once the mounting screws are secured, insert the 2 screw covers for a clean finish. Please make sure to allow 2 to 3 days of sunshine to fully charge the batteries. You're now ready to install your ClassyCap's Kingsbridge dual lighting solar post cap. It's that easy.